Hello?
Hello, Sam. Yeah.
Yeah. I said we stopped at theorem 8. So let's look at theorem 9. So theorem 9 says that the angle between a tangent, the angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle subtended at the end of the chord in the alternate segment. At the end of the chord in the alternate segment. I want to underline keywords here. The angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle subtended at the end, keyword, at the end of the chord in the alternate segment. At the end of the chord in the alternate segment. So I'm going to give you a diagram to that effect now. But I want to allow you write this first. So I want you to
Okay,
write
sir.
this.
I wrote it, sir.
Okay. So let me draw diagram to that effect. I suppose we have so let me say this is Q R S P T. So ST is a tangent. Then you have PQ as a chord, PR as a chord, QR or PR, both are chords. So what we are saying in essence is that this angle here, this angle here, this angle here, this angle here, they will be of the same value. Let me change the color to demonstrate that. Let's take blue. Now, if this angle here is A, then this angle here will be A. Let me go back to the statement. The angle between a tangent and a chord. Now, don't forget that ST is a tangent. So the chord to that ST that is making angle at that tangent now, called PQ, is a chord. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
PR is also a chord. Now, PR, the angle between a tangent and a chord, is equal to the angle subtended at the end of the chord in the alternate segment. In the alternate segment. So the chord that is making angle with the tangent theta here now is PQ. So it's making angle A. The alternate angle to that, to this chord PQ, is called PR. Therefore, at the end of chord PR, they're going to have angle here to be A. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this means that I can say that Q P S equals P R Q equals to A. Why is it so? Because you have chord PQ making angle A with tangent ST. So the alternate angle or the alternate segment to that is now the chord PR. So at the end of chord PR, you now have A, according to that statement. The angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle subtended at the end of the chord in the alternate segment. So by similar argument,
Excuse me, sir.
okay,
Is is substandard just a fancy way of saying art?
at, you mean here?
Um, no, like the word subtended, is it a fancy way of saying art?
The word extended or subtended.
Subtended.
Yes, subtended at the end. At the end.
No, is it the same thing as, let's say the angle subtended?
Okay.
Is it just another way of saying art?
No. The angle subtended at the end is not another way of saying at. Now, what we are saying in essence is that the angle specified there, that's the meaning of subtended. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me change color. I want to put another angle here. Let me change the color to demonstrate that. Let me take green. So this angle here is B. So this here will also be B, because chord PR is making angle B with the tangent ST. So the alternate chord to that is chord PQ. So at the end of chord PQ, you have angle B. So we can now say that RPT equals PQR equals B. So that's what that theorem is talking about. So I want you to draw the diagram and write this statement. So take note of this. Now, the letter at the middle of the angle is what I'm putting cap on. That shows that's the precise point for the angle. If I say QPS, that means I'm considering angle P, the angle at P. If I change the order to SQP, then I'm considering angle at Q. So take note of that.
Yes, sir.
All right. So when you are done writing that, let me know. So I can now give you examples.
I'm done, sir.
Okay. So I'm thinking maybe I should clean this board, or I should give you, okay, let me clean it. So let's see examples. First one says that find angles marked X, Y, and Z in the figure below. So, and here is the figure. have P, Q, R, S, T. So this place is 59. This place is 87. And this place is Z. This place is X. This place is Y. So sketch that. When you're done, let me know.
I'm done, sir.
Okay. So we are asked to find angles marked S, Y, and Z in the figure. Now, ST is a tangent. Now, if you look at angle solution now, if you look at angle S, that's QRT. QRT is equal to QPR. QPR. And that's equals to S, which is equals to 59. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Angle between a chord and a tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment of that. So the alternate segment to this chord QR is PR. Do you understand that now?
Yes, sir.
Let me write it down so that it will make sense to you. Alternate segment to chord QR is called PR. So that means this one satisfies that condition. So angle S is 59. So angle in the alternate segment. Remember, I told you last week that it's important you write in bracket the theorem you have applied or the rule you have applied. I'm going to take you through some past question. You will see that it's compulsory you do that. So S is 59 by using that theorem 9 that we just concluded. Now, the same way, Y The alternate angle to that is angle Z. But we don't know Z too. So we have to find Z by consider triangle PQR. So if you consider triangle PQR, I can say that 59 degree plus 87 degree plus Z equals 180. What is the rule that views there? Sum of angles in a triangle. That's the rule I've used. So, and that will give us that Z equals 180 degree minus, so if you say 89 plus, 59 plus 87, that will give us 146. So Z will be 34. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So if Z is now 34, you will now say that Y is equals to Z equals to 34. Angle in alternate segment. Angle in alternate segment between a chord and a tangent. Hope that makes sense to you.
Yes, sir.
All right. So please write that. So when you are done, let me know.
Done.
All right. So we are going to say example 2. Let me clean this board. Okay. So let's see another question. This one says, that's example 2 now. Find angles I.
Oh,
What's the problem?
no, just the cough.
Sorry. Find angles I and J in the diagram below. And here's the diagram. Let me do the lines. Who is that singing? Who is there with you disturbing you?
I'm just my little brother.
Okay. So the angle here is 78. O is the center of the circle, and ST is a tangent. ST is a tangent to the circle. So write the question, draw the diagram, and let's give it a shot. We have about 9 minutes left, so hurry up. Are you done with the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you attempting it?
Yes, sir.
You're attempting it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you're done, let me know.
Done.
Okay. Yeah, you said you are attempting it.
And I said I'm done.
Writing the question or the solution.
I'm the solution.
Okay. So what is I?
I is 47.
Correct. What is J?
J is 78.
No. It's not 78. Don't forget that it's not the whole of angle B that is J. Do you understand that now? Let me now help you. Solution. I will call your attention to something here now. And that's why I put the additional information here that O is the center of the circle. So if O is the center of the circle, a line from the center to any point on the circumference is what? Is radius. So that means OA and OB are radii. OA equals to OB, sorry, OA equals to OB equals R. And don't forget that we have another theorem that says that if a triangle is formed from two radii, then their base angle will be equal. So that means this place and this place will be equal. So let's call this place X. I'll also call this place X. Understood? So that we can now say that sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So 94 plus X equals 180. Sum of angles in a triangle. So that will now give us 2x equals 180 minus 94. That will be what? 86. So x equals 86 divided by 2, 43. So that means this angle here is 43. Understood? So J plus X equals to 78, which is your claim that J is 78. No, it's now J plus X that is 78. Why is this so? You now put the reason. Alternate angle or angle in alternate segment. Angle in, why is this thing writing like this? Sorry. Angle in alternate segment. So that will be J plus 43 J plus 43 equals 78. So J will now be 78 minus 43. That will be 35. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question on that? No question?
No, sir.
All right, quickly write that. So when you're done writing, let me know.
Done, sir.
Okay, so let me quickly clean this. We have like 3 minutes. I want to give you one question to play around with quickly. So I want you to do this. I have a tangent here. I have this. I have this. I have this. So this angle here is P. And this place is 76. And this place is Q. And this place is 70. So the question says you should find angles P and Q. Find angles P and Q. So draw that and quickly do it. We have 2 minutes left. So if you are logged out, you know the rule. Just log in with the same details again. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
is A equals 74 and B equals 70?
P equals 7. Okay, okay. You mean the angle there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, correct. So
And
we
is
have,
A 34?
yes, A34. That's no angle Q. That's 34. Yes. Then P 7.